Hi class, this is Mr. Tan and we are in Hospitality Finance today and we are focusing on which question please? 5.1. So 5.1 says categorize the above costs as fixed, variable and semi-variable and explain the logic behind each category. So explain the logic behind each category. So you have to categorize the information that's been provided for you in the assignment question. And this is in Google Docs. So this table is in Google Docs and it has fixed costs, variable costs and semi-variable costs in here. So let's categorize these first. But before we do that, we need to understand what is a fixed, variable and semi-variable cost. So what is a fixed cost?
A cost that doesn't change.
Good. A cost that doesn't change over a period of time. And normally that period of time is the over a period of 1 year or the financial year. Okay? From the 5th of April to the 4th of April the following year. So here we're looking at that. And from this table here, in your opinion, what would you say was the fixed cost or costs?
Fixed.
Say that again. Good. It is the rent for the use of the hall per annum, which is £35,000. So that is the fixed cost there. Well done. So you worked that out. And this is a fixed cost, and it remains fixed, and because it doesn't change over a period of time. So you would explain the logic behind that, okay? You would explain what that is. And what about variable cost? So the first thing you need to do is explain or tell me, what is a variable cost? Anyone?
Cost that could change
Yes.
under same circumstances.
What are the circumstances? So variable costs are costs that will change in what circumstances? What are the circumstances that the cost will change, please?
Buying in bulk.
Yes, so the more you use is the more it's going to cost you. Yeah? Okay. So on this table here, which of these would you say are variable costs? Good, yeah, no, it's not. What are the variable costs here, please? Come on, you tell me.
Variable cost is number of tickets sold.
The selling price per ticket, yes.
Cost of wages per ticket.
Cost of wages per ticket, good.
Cost of printing ticket.
Cost of the printing per ticket, yes.
Cost of popcorn per ticket.
And the cost of the popcorn per ticket. So those four are the variable costs. The selling price per ticket, £30 per ticket. The cost of wages per ticket, £10 per ticket. The cost of printing the ticket, which is £1 per ticket. And the cost of popcorn per ticket, which is £2. So these are the variable costs. And we can see that the more people, more popcorn that is bought, it's more it's going to cost you to produce it, isn't it? Yes? So if you've got £2 per ticket and you only sell 2, how much is it going to cost you? £4. But if you sell 10, how much is it going to cost you? £20. So you can see it's variable. The costs are variable. That makes sense? Yeah. Okay. And lastly, semi-variable costs. Anyone explain to me what is a semi-variable cost, please?
Half fixed and half variable.
Yes. Good. Half fixed and half variable. So on this table here, what are the two semi-variable costs, please? Yes.
Electricity bill.
Electricity bill, good, and telephone bill. Well done, ladies. So it's half fixed and half variable. And we know that if you've got a BT line, then you will pay a fixed charge for that month or 3 months, I'm not too sure, line rental, thank you. And then the amount you use, depending upon the contract that you have, the more you use is the more you're going to pay, yes?
Call charges.
Call charges. And if you're doing international calls, you might be paying extra for that as well. So we can see it's part fixed and part variable, so it's semi-variable. Okay? Okay, it's everyone. So in answering the question, you've got to categorize that table there in terms of those items in the table being either fixed, variable or semi-variable, and then you need to explain why they are fixed, variable and semi-variable. Make sense? Everyone happy with that? Okay, excellent. That is 5.1 done. Thank you very much.